Welcome to FDIC 2023. One of the hardest parts about attending FDIC is choosing the classes you will attend. With hundreds of the best fire service instructors, it can be challenging. Today, I'd like to make that a little bit easier for you. Hello, my name is PJ Norwood. I'm a retired Deputy Chief of Training from East Haven, Connecticut. Currently, I'm the Director of Training for the Connecticut Fire Academy. I'm an FDIC board member, instructor, author, and co-author of multiple best-selling DVDs in the book, The Evolving Fireground. This year, FDIC 2023, I'll be speaking for 4 hours in a pre-conference workshop titled The Evolving Fireground, Research-Based Tactics. This workshop is derived directly from the fire engineering book I authored with Sean Gray, The Evolving Fireground. We'll walk through the evolving fireground, spend time on how the fireground has evolved and how it impacts our tactics. We will then touch on the many tactical considerations we need to concentrate on so you can figure out how to apply them to your fireground. I will not tell you how to fight your fires in your community, but I'll provide you with solid research-based tactics that you can apply at the right time, the right place in your community. I look forward to seeing everybody at FDIC 2023 in Indianapolis. Look forward to seeing you attend my workshop, The Evolving Fireground, Research-Based Tactics.